Trimline gutters are a metal box guttering designed to give your roof a seamless finish. Made in a variety of colours, sizes and angles, they're simple to install on almost any metal roof. The overall aesthetic means they blend into the building whilst providing an effective solution. The capacity of the gutter can take large quantities of rainwater without spilling over. As you can see here, we have a trim line to suit the 10-degree pitch and overhang length of these sheets. To install, simply offer up the gutter, making sure the lower lip sits firmly under the cutback of your panel. Then, establish the position of the support arms on the sheet. Fix the support arms to the roof using 3 stitching screws at equal distances up the support. Put the gutter in place and fix the support arm to the underside of the front lip. Once the arms are located, stitch in the center of each trough, securing the gutter to the end of the sheet. Use a butt strap to join lengths of gutter together. This must be sealed with a high bonding polymer. Then, either stitch or rivet, depending on your preference. The same process applies to the stop ends. Outlets can be installed at any point along the gutter to match up with existing downpipes if necessary. For more information, contact our technical sales team at Southern Sheeting. We'll get the right gutter for you.